Hello and welcome to another video. In this one we're going to be talking about a gotcha with Python regular expressions, and I've seen this bug in a bunch of places, so figured I'd make a video about it so you guys know about this little shortcoming as well. So without further ado, let's jump into it and show you the problem here. Okay, so we're going to be dealing with \d today. That's going to be the pattern we're going to be dealing with. And \d normally, it refers to a digit character. And so if you input re and you make a regular expression, re.compile, raw string because we're using \d, and I'll just do \d plus for this. And you'll see that, this matches digits and it works fine. Everything is fine about this. There's no problems with that part of \d. However, \d matches a bunch of characters that you might not expect. I believe I have some of them in my keyboard, in my clipboard. Yeah, so these characters here, which we'll actually show what those are in a second, these also match \d, and you might think, well, wait a minute, these don't look like digits. Why is that matching? And if we import Unicode data dot name, and let's just take one of these characters, not the other two. And you can see that this is in fact a digit. It is an Arabic Indic digit 3. It's just not the numerals that you are familiar with seeing. And there's actually a whole bunch of other characters here that also would match this. Let's see if I can, for I in range 65. I'm just gonna get a bunch of characters. Is this all of them? I think it's all of them. It might not be. I don't remember my Unicode. If chri, so this converts an integer into a Unicode character, and we can use is digit. Then we'll print chri and equals this, and then print afterwards. So this will print out all of the characters that match this is digit condition here. So all of these are matched by \d, and you might ask yourself, well, wait a minute, this doesn't seem right. How do I prevent this weird behavior? Unfortunately, there's a way to do this with the regular expressions module in Python. There's two ways, kind of. So the first is you can turn your regular expression into an ASCII regular expression by using the re.ascii flag. And this will prevent \d from matching non-ASCII characters. It will also change how like \w and \s work as well. So this might not be the flag that you want, but now you can see that it no longer matches those Arabic Indic digits. And it still, why did I put a weird parenthesis there? Weird comma there. And it still matches this. So that's one way to fix this. The other is to explicitly use, like say you needed to match Unicode for whatever reason. The other is to explicitly use a character range that you're looking for. So this will only match the characters between 0 and 9. And so you can see now it still matches that, and we don't match that. So that's two ways to solve this problem. But anyway, hopefully this was useful. I've seen this mistake in lots of places. But anyway, if you have additional things you want me to explain, leave a comment below or reach out to me on the various platforms. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.